then we're going to the P.O. box. So yeah, that's our plans for today. It's gonna be a good day. I'm tired, I need coffee soon. Okay guys, you know how we've been trying to get in alignment for like a whole week or two now? Well, Trevor just called the people and asked if the alignment technician's in today, because the other day they said the alignment technician was not in. Well, the alignment technician was in today, but the alignment machine is broken. So we're just not supposed to get in alignment, I think. So
It's not.
I guess that's fine.
It's not meant to happen, I guess.
But just know this is like our 4th time trying.
We're trying.
We're trying. Guess it's not in the cards for us today, but you know, we'll keep checking in.
Maybe
We'll let you know.
next week.
We'll let you know what happens. Okay, we got coffee.
Mine's a Lucky Charms. Did you try it?
No, did you? I haven't even tried mine. I got a creme brulee latte. It's insane. Let me try Trev's now. Mine's better. Now we're going to our P.O. box, which I'm really excited because apparently there's something there for Trevor. We'll see if there's something in there for us.
Yeah.
So we actually didn't get anything at our P.O. box. Something's there, but they can't find it. So we did, however, get some Seize the Bagel for Brecky, one of my favorite breakfast places. I'm about to be the next influencer.
Hashtag influenced.
Hashtag influenced. No, what was the name I came up with? I want to be an impactfluencer.
An influencer.
Influencer. Influenza. No.
That's pretty close to influenza.
I got a blot. Oh my god, I bet other places don't have Seize the Bagel. Like, this is just local, huh? Trevor just got a plain bagel with cream cheese. No, strawberry cream cheese. Sorry.
Don't forget that part.
And I got a bacon, lettuce, avocado, turkey, tomato on an Asiago bagel with bacon chive cream cheese. Anyway, I can't wait to eat this. Okay guys, Trevor and I are gonna hit the puff ski and then work out. So, productive king and queen. Okay guys, I'll update you when we're done with our workout. Wish us luck. Okay guys, we're officially done with our workout. You see that glow? We pushed ourselves today and it was really rewarding already. So now our house is a mess. So we're gonna clean. I'm gonna open some windows for fresh air though. There is before, those are all dirty. These are all clean. Before of our kitchen, before of our dining room and living room. Okay, this is the update. Sink is empty. Those are all clean, and then I have to run the dishwasher. We're cleaned out here. Ignore our squeaky ass washer. It looks literally so good. We put this here so the dogs can't come in here, but look how freaking good it looks, and we finally have the rug there again. Clean living room. Ignore that mat being halfway there, but it looks so good. Now I'm gonna edit my vlog because I just downloaded all the footage, and yeah, I wanted to do makeup today, but I'm gonna have to probably push it off one more day. Also guys, I made an order on Temu and TikTok shop, so do we think my orders are gonna show up? Because I don't know. I got shoes on Temu. Have no idea. I'm not expecting much. They were $15, but they're literally my dream shoes. So we'll see. And then I ordered a dress and some jewelry from TikTok shop. So this is all for the bachelorette weekend. It's a little over a month away, but like, I want to be prepared and I want to be cute. So we'll see. I'll let you guys know when those come in, but they're still probably like a week to 2 weeks out, which is good because like I said, I have a little over a month. Also, Trev's grandma's birthday is this weekend and he ordered her a steam cleaner just like the one we have. So it literally got here today. He ordered it today and it got here today. Crazy. I'm gonna edit my YouTube video and then I'll be back. Okay, just edited my YouTube video and took some chicken out to defrost. Now I want to defrost myself and take a bath. I just took such a good bath, like so relaxing. But now I'm gonna play some video games. I don't know if I'm gonna play Minecraft or Fortnite because I kind of really want to play Minecraft. I'm also gonna drink this. It's a raspberry rose poppy. I think that these are honestly tying for me for my favorite. These are really good. I'm also gonna have some crunchy curls. So yeah, I think I'm gonna play Minecraft. That just sounds like a vibe right now. Woo! Playing some Minecraft, baby. Let's see what I come up with. Oh. Okay, hi guys. We're making dinner now. I was about to show you something, but there's nothing out yet. I'm having Trevor tenderize the chicken breasts. We're gonna have the usual. We're gonna have chicken breasts, rice, and then I think I'm gonna have broccoli and green beans.
Which is good because we worked out today.
We did work out and it was a good workout.
Yeah, I need to go put my shit on the bed there. Hang on.
I'm still making dinner, but I got a PR package yesterday and I never opened it. And it was funny because I actually was wearing like little to no clothes and the FedEx guy came here while I was letting my dogs out. So I had to like awkwardly wait there and like have him hand me the fucking package. You can't really see the front because it has the tag on it, but it's from L'Occitane or L'Occitane. I'm excited because they always send really good shit. I'm hoping it's the foaming bath stuff because we just ran out of it. You guys, that shit is insane. Like, I'm going to buy that with my own money. What is this? Spring cleaning, but make it skincare. Enjoy dewy skin all season long with the creamy shea butter cleansing cream and refreshing shea micellar water featuring shea extract to help oh my god, I cannot read tonight, whatever. This is micellar water from L'Occitane. A cleansing face cream. That actually looks really nice. Thank you, L'Occitane, that's so sweet. Now I'm just waiting for my dinner to be done. I'm really excited. It's gonna be really good. We're about to plate dinner. I'm gonna show you guys how delicious this looks. Okay, love that. All right, all right.
K2.
My messy looking dinner.
Stop. I'm not playing this fucking game.
We're watching a new TV show called Prime Target. It's with Leo Woodall. I love